Hey, what's going on, everybody? Shane here from Vulgar Display Gaming, and I got another shirt video for you. I found a bunch of shirts in the garage at my mom's. They're all tucked away in an old arcade cabinet. I don't remember putting them there, but I found a shit ton more shirts, as well as not sure in this pile, but I got some newer shirts that I did this year. So let's get into it. I like doing these videos. I have way too many shirts. So let's start off with what we got here. Ooh, Scion Rockfest. This was an amazing show. And by the way, this was free. This was free. And let's see who played. Look at who played here. Machine Head, High on Fire, Red Fang, Orchid, Crowbar, Power Trip played. A shit ton of good bands. Although it sucks. That's when I didn't know who Power Trip was. And I missed them. That sucked. But they were playing a small club because this was awesome because it was a bunch of different venues in Pomona. But yeah, Scion put this on the car company. Metalheads were broke. Like, they used to throw so many free shows. It was awesome, but you gotta... we weren't buying their cars. That's for damn sure. But anyway, Scion Rockfest was free. And I got a bunch of 7-inches. Like, you showed up, they gave you a free shirt, and then they gave you 2 7-inches. Like, I got a Red Fang 7-inch. Split with Fu Manchu, and then a High on Fire split. Why? I have no clue. They're insane. That's why they're not around anymore. Anyway, let's move on. Black Sabbath, their final tour. This was really cool. I believe I caught them... let's see. Oh yeah, this was at the Forum. Just trying to make sure. I was like, when was this? Okay, anyway. I like that they put the date on the back. That was cool. I mean, and the year. Black Sabbath, what can you say? It was a killer show. And moving on, we got Superjoint Ritual. This was the second time I saw them live. This was at a smaller venue. Really good show. I love Superjoint. As you can tell, I even got a Superjoint signed poster back there. Great stuff by Phil Anselmo. Check it out. Black Breath. Really good band. Not around anymore. But I got this. This is just the album shirt. It's the only shirt they had at their show. And it was with Black Breath and Havoc. I believe this was 2017 maybe? Anyway. Didn't have any dates on it or anything, but Black Breath, check them out. Really good band. You're like black and thrash metal kind of shit. Really good stuff. Creator. Seen Creator a bunch of times. This is the Gods of Violence tour. 2017. Really cool shirt. And by the way, these are all shirts that don't fit me anymore. Because I am too fat now. But really cool stuff. Simple. Good art. Dates and year on the back, so can't go wrong with that. Next up is Overkill, 2017. And that year, there was a lot of good shows coming through. I believe this was again with Havoc. Love me some Havoc. If you don't know who Havoc is, check them out. But Overkill, classic band, badass shirt. I really like this band, but not so much their merch. But I still got a shirt anyway. Because there's also no year or dates on this. Anyway, this is Knocked Loose. Oh, 2019 tour. Oh, there you go. It says it right there. But no dates. But the artwork's very small. Like, this was a very big shirt. It was just kind of a wonky color and everything, but I don't know. It's cool. I really like Knocked Loose. Different shade of blue. Definitely check out Knocked Loose if you haven't heard of them. Can't say enough good things about them. Exodus. I believe I got this shirt when I saw them with Testament. Again, it was just a regular old shirt. I liked it. Food for the Worms. But it had cool artwork on there. Popes and pastors eating worms, dying and shit. Just can't ever go wrong with some Exodus, right? Crowbar. Love me some slow, fat music. Crowbar. 2017. Very plain, simple shirt, but it gets the point across. You know who you're seeing. Crowbar. Let's see. This is one of the first bands I ever saw live as a kid. I remember going to this show and trying to drink beer for the first time. And I couldn't barely drink a beer. Anyway, Dropkick Murphys. I absolutely love Dropkick Murphys. Super faded shirt. Super old shirt. 2009 or something, probably. Anyway. Great band. I always enjoy seeing them live. Next up, we have the Psycho Smokeout. Really simple, you know, just chest logo right there. Back's pretty cool. You got LA formed in the Weed Leaf Hands. I mean, look at this lineup. Yob, Monolord, Amon Ra, Beelzebong. Anyway, every band, like, pause it if you want, but check out every band on the back of this shirt. If you want some heavy shit and you like smoking weed. And this was on 420, too. 420, 2019. Great stuff. Great stuff. Low heavy riffs galore at that show. Mr. Bungle. Absolutely love me some Mr. Bungle. It's got some sleeve art that I have no clue. Oh, yeah. Can't even pop up the thing. Yeah. There's Mr. Bungle on the sleeve. In the back, you have some weird shit and upside down crosses, as well as the sleeve side art. It's always cool. Upside down cross on fire. And their symbol, Mr. Bungle, and whatever that is. It looks like the WB symbol, pretty much. Yeah. Hard to show off side sleeve art, but, you know. Good show, great band. This was a really good show. I don't like the shirt that much. I don't know, I just got it just to get it, I think. I don't know if I'll wear this. I actually never wore this shirt, but this was Guns N' Roses in 2019 at the Hollywood Palladium, which was cool. It was this very small venue. It was just them playing, and they did 30 songs. They played for a very long time. That was the start of their fall tour, the kickoff. That's what it says right here, fall tour 2019. And then it has the dates on the sleeve, which is kind of interesting. You don't really see, you know, dates on sleeve art, but it's cool. I dig it. Anyway, I don't know, just the pink and the gold, like, this looks like, I guess you'd say it's a girl. I don't know, anybody can wear it. But me, I wasn't going to wear it. But I am a huge Guns N' Roses fan, and great show. Let's see, Ailstorm. If you're ever looking for some pirate metal, this was the first time I ever saw them. Granted, this was just a really cool shirt. I don't think they really had any tour shirts, but, you know, Darth Vader with a bottle of rum. How can you go wrong? With a stormtrooper on the back. I found your lack of rum disturbing. Killer shirt, nerdy shirt, as what we're all about here on this channel. And last but not least, to make this a quick video, Ghost. This was the first time I ever saw Ghost. I know there's a lot of hate for Ghost, but this was 2016, the Pope Star tour. I saw them in a small venue before they were doing arenas, which was awesome. And my buddy actually had a stick thrown at him and hit him almost. So that was this installment of shirts. I have a lot, but I kind of want to keep these short. A little bit better for you to digest and check out some of these bands if you've never heard of them. So until next time, take it easy, everybody. Later.